Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video. In this video, I'll be showing you the steps on how you can log in into your Discord account. So I'm going to be showing you step-by-step procedure on how you can do it. Make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instructions guided. So in order to log in into a Discord account, first of all, you need to make sure that you already have an account. Only then you'll be able to log in or create a login credential. So before getting started, make sure that I've already updated your application to the latest version. In case if you haven't, then you need to open up your Play Store and then on the search box type in Discord. And then if you have update instead of open, which means that the update is available, and then you'll need to update the application for the latest feature. After updating application, click on open. After you open up your Discord application, you'll be taken to login or sign up interface. If you don't have an account, then you need to click on register, and after that you'll need to enter in your contact information and your personal information and login, and then create an account on Discord. So in this way you can create a Discord account. So in order to log in into a Discord account, click on login, which is right at the bottom. As already mentioned before, that in case if you don't have a login credential, so then you need to provide in your account information. That includes entering either your email or the phone number and a password. After you're done entering your login credential, click on login, which is right at the bottom. And as you can see that I've successfully logged into my account. So in this way you can log in into your Discord account. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.